Hey foodies and kitchen wizards! If you love cooking or just want to make life in the kitchen way easier, you're gonna love this. Today I'm showing you 20 kitchen gadgets that'll seriously upgrade your cooking game. From clever time savers to tools you didn't know you needed, get ready to say goodbye to kitchen struggles and hello to genius solutions. If you're serious about your coffee, the Ninja Espresso Machine Luxe Cafe Premier Series is about to become your new favorite kitchen companion. This all-in-one powerhouse lets you brew rich espresso, smooth drip coffee, and even rapid cold brew, all with barista-level quality right at home. It features an integrated grinder for fresh grounds, an assisted tamper for perfect pressure, and a hands-free frother that works beautifully with dairy or non-dairy options. Whether you're craving a creamy cappuccino, a silky latte, or just a quick coffee fix, this machine does it all, effortlessly. Say goodbye to spoiled leftovers and hello to fresher, longer-lasting food with this electric mason jar vacuum sealer kit. Designed to work with both wide and regular mouth jars, it makes airtight sealing a breeze. Just one button press, and you're done. No manual pumping, no bulky gadgets, just simple, hands-free convenience. Perfect for meal prep, pantry storage, or keeping those homemade goodies fresh for weeks. Frying up your favorite snacks has never been easier with the Presto FryDaddy. Using just 4 cups of oil to make 4 delicious servings, it automatically maintains the perfect frying temperature. No guesswork needed. The PFAS-free ceramic non-stick surface makes cleanup quick and painless, while its compact, durable design means it's easy to store when you're done. Simple, efficient, and perfect for crispy cravings at home. The Ninja Crispy 4-in-1 portable glass air fryer cooking system is your all-in-one solution for quick, easy meals. With a 4-quart capacity and glass containers that double as storage with secure lids, you can air fry, bake, reheat, and more, all in one sleek system. The containers are microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, making meal prep and cleanup effortless. Compact, versatile, and built for modern kitchens, it's perfect for busy lifestyles and small spaces. Bring the taste of outdoor grilling right into your kitchen with the Techwood Indoor Smokeless Barbecue Grill. Featuring a large non-stick grill and griddle plate, it delivers even char-grilled results with adjustable temperatures from 220 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're grilling indoors or out, it's designed for a smoke-free experience. Plus, with portable convenience and dishwasher-safe parts, cleanup is a breeze, making it perfect for hassle-free barbecues anytime. The Hello High Ultra Infuser is your all-in-one solution for making perfect herbal infusions at home. This versatile machine works as a decarboxylator, butter maker, and oil infuser. Ideal for crafting infused butters, oils, and even gummies with ease. It can handle 1 to 3 cups per batch, making it perfect for personal use or sharing. With simple controls and an optional butter mold, it takes the guesswork out of homemade infusions. The Ninja Creamy Ice Cream Maker turns your kitchen into a sweet treat factory. With 7 one-touch programs, you can easily whip up creamy gelato, mix-ins, milkshakes, sorbets, smoothie bowls, and more. It comes with 2-pint containers and lids, perfect for making personalized desserts for the whole family. Compact and user-friendly, it's a hit with kids and adults alike, bringing endless frozen fun right to your countertop. The Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker makes hot, custom sandwiches in just 5 minutes using your favorite fresh ingredients: eggs, cheese, meats, and more. Skip the drive-thru and enjoy quick homemade breakfasts right at home. Its compact design saves counter space, and with dishwasher-safe parts, cleanup is fast and easy. Perfect for busy mornings or anytime you're craving a delicious sandwich fix. The Magic Bullet is your go-to compact blender for quick and easy kitchen tasks. With a 250-watt motor, it chops, blends, grinds, and mixes everything from smoothies to sauces in seconds. It comes with 11 handy accessories, including cups, lids, and a recipe guide, all made from durable, high-impact plastic. Small but mighty, it's perfect for fast meals and everyday convenience. The Ooni Volt 12 electric pizza oven brings authentic wood-fired flavor to your countertop, indoors or outdoors. This versatile portable oven cooks up to 12-inch pizzas quickly and evenly on its stone baking surface. Whether you're toasting, baking, or crisping your favorite dishes, the Volt 12 offers convenience and performance in a compact design, perfect for pizza nights anywhere. The Ninja Thirsti drink system lets you create sparkling or still drinks exactly how you like them. With customizable sizes and flavors, this soda maker makes hydration fun and personalized. It comes with a 60-liter CO2 cylinder and a variety of flavored water drops, so you can enjoy endless refreshing drinks right at home. Perfect for those who love fizz without the fuss. The Braun Multi-Quick 7 Immersion Blender makes kitchen prep faster and easier with its powerful 500-watt motor and smart speed single-hand control for precise blending. Thanks to active blade technology, it offers 250% more cutting surface for smoother results. This versatile tool comes with a chopper, whisk, and beaker, plus splash control and easy-to-switch attachments, perfect for mess-free blending, chopping, and whipping. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL is a kitchen powerhouse with 6-in-1 cooking modes and max crisp technology that delivers ultra-crispy results at temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, with up to 75% less fat. Its large 6.5-quart non-stick basket can hold up to 9 pounds of food, making it perfect for family meals. Plus, cleanup is simple thanks to dishwasher-safe parts. Healthy, delicious, and convenient. What more could you ask for? The Air Deer Smart Trash Can takes out the hassle of trash with its automatic bag sealing and changing, giving you a hygienic, touchless experience. Its motion sensor lid opens with a wave, while voice prompts keep you informed. Equipped with 120 bags and a battery that lasts up to 180 days per charge, it fits perfectly in kitchens, bathrooms, or offices for a smarter, cleaner space. Upgrade your seasoning game with this electric salt and pepper grinder set. These automatic battery-powered mills offer adjustable coarseness for the perfect grind every time. Easy to refill and featuring an upgraded larger capacity, they also come with handy LED lights for precise seasoning, even in low light. Sleek, efficient, and a must-have for any modern kitchen. The SNOWCLAD stainless steel cutting board is a durable, double-sided kitchen essential designed for heavy-duty chopping. Made with stainless steel and eco-friendly wheat straw PP, it's non-toxic and easy to clean. Dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. Measuring 16 by 11 inches, this large cutting board is perfect for meat and all your prep needs, combining strength and hygiene in one sleek design. The Chef IQ Sense smart wireless meat thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking with its ultra-thin probe and unlimited range Bluetooth connectivity. Monitor your BBQ grill, oven, smoker, or air fryer remotely from your phone for perfectly cooked meat every time. This digital thermometer ensures precision and convenience, making it an essential tool for grilling and roasting enthusiasts. The Ninja Foodie Never Dull 12-piece knife system features premium German stainless steel blades designed to stay sharp longer. With a built-in sharpener, these knives keep their edge effortlessly, so you can slice, dice, and chop with precision every time. Durable, sleek, and ready for any kitchen task, this set combines quality and convenience in one stylish package. The Fullstar vegetable chopper is a viral 4-in-1 kitchen essential that makes meal prep a breeze. With ultra-sharp stainless steel blades, it chops, slices, and spiralizes your veggies quickly and precisely. Its non-slip base keeps it steady while the mess-free catch tray collects everything neatly, and cleanup is a snap since it's dishwasher safe. Say goodbye to tedious chopping and hello to effortless cooking. The Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster is the perfect fit for any kitchen with its compact design and 10-inch long slot. Featuring 6 shade settings plus reheat and cancel buttons, it gives you total control over your toast every time. With anti-jam technology, auto shut-off for safety, and a removable crumb tray for easy cleaning, this 900-watt toaster combines convenience and reliability in a sleek package. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos, featuring the coolest gadgets.